Welcome to our channel, where we explore smart financial strategies, and today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: passive income ideas. In this extended video, we will dive deep into various methods to generate extra money without putting in extra hours of work. So, grab a notebook and let's embark on this passive income journey. Passive income is a concept that allows you to earn money without actively trading your time for it. It's all about creating systems and investments that generate income consistently. Let's explore some popular passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. One of the most well-known methods is investing in rental properties. This involves purchasing real estate and renting it out to tenants. By becoming a landlord, you can enjoy a steady stream of rental income and potentially benefit from property appreciation over time. We'll delve into tips for finding and managing rental properties effectively. Dividend investing involves buying stocks of companies that regularly distribute dividends to their shareholders. By investing in dividend stocks, you can earn a passive income through the dividends paid out by these companies. We'll discuss how to identify solid dividend stocks and build a dividend portfolio that suits your financial goals. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have gained popularity in recent years, allowing you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses. By earning interest on these loans, you can generate passive income while helping others achieve their financial goals. We'll explore the different peer-to-peer lending platforms and strategies to mitigate risks. In the digital age, there are numerous opportunities to create passive income through online businesses. Let's dive into some of the most promising ideas in this realm. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income. It involves promoting products or services through unique links and earning a commission on every sale generated through your referral. We'll discuss effective affiliate marketing strategies and platforms to get you started on your affiliate journey. Creating and selling digital products is another lucrative avenue for passive income. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or software, once you've developed these products, they can be sold repeatedly without requiring much additional effort. We'll explore how to ideate, create, market, and sell digital products successfully. Membership websites provide exclusive content or services to subscribers who pay a recurring fee. By offering valuable and engaging content, you can build a loyal community and generate passive income from their monthly subscriptions. We'll discuss how to create and monetize a membership website effectively, ensuring sustainable growth and member satisfaction. Let's explore a couple more passive income ideas related to investments and royalties. Index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, offer a diversified investment approach. By investing in these funds, you can passively participate in the stock market's growth without the need for constant monitoring. We'll delve into the benefits, strategies, and best practices for investing in index funds and ETFs. If you have creative talents, you can generate passive income by creating and licensing intellectual property. This includes royalties from books, music, patents, or even licensing your brand to other businesses. We'll discuss the steps involved in protecting and monetizing your intellectual property, along with valuable insights from successful creators and inventors. Congratulations on reaching the end of this extended video on passive income ideas. We've covered a wide range of strategies, and now it's up to you to take action. Remember, passive income requires upfront effort and research, but once established, it can provide you with financial freedom and flexibility. So, start exploring these ideas, continue learning, and find the ones that resonate with you. Thank you for joining us on this passive income journey, and we look forward to seeing you in future videos.